Lily and
Olivia.
And today we're going to be making slime
with the ingredients
of Downy plus Tide detergent.
Elmer's glue, you can use clear or this kind of glue.
The white glue. Any glue will really work, especially Elmer's. And nail polish. So we have all these different colors. And so we're going to get in, we have to use bowls to mix.
We're using these because it's bigger space to use, and we're using
plastic forks because we don't
want to damage our
good silverware.
And plus you need an airtight container to put your glue in if it works, and so yeah.
Alright, so first we have to put the Elmer's glue in, and we're not going to use all of it because we have to make 2 batches.
Yeah, one for her and one for me. So we'll give you a close up.
So I'm just putting some glue.
However,
we don't have a really estimate.
However much glue, the more slime.
Alright, so we have about.
So then the next thing you want to do is you want to add your nail polish.
And you can add as many colors as you want. So
I'm doing a glow-in-the-dark green.
I'm doing this light blue.
Okay.
And I'm actually doing this dark blue too with it.
And I will be adding these sparkles.
Blue sparkles?
Oh no, I'll be adding the purple sparkles. That's what I meant.
Hardened Nail Extreme Wear.
That's what
sparkles. That's what I'm going to use.
Claire's nail polish. And then this one is Bonita glow-in-the-dark nail polish.
Do you want to use this?
And then oh yeah, I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer and sparkle nail color.
Alright, so let's get started. We'll be back when we put all our nail polish in.
Yeah, you can put as much nail polish as you want, and yeah.
What is it? There you go. Alright, pause. Alright, so this is what it looks like. We haven't even mixed it yet.
Because we want to show you guys.
Alright, so
Haley's going to mix hers first.
And see Olivia's. So, we haven't even added the laundry detergent. So, we don't know if this works. But.
And you want to keep adding, you want to mix until you get the color you want. So, we'll come back when she gets hers the way she wants it.
Yeah, and Olivia will start.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what I got. So far, Olivia's still mixing.
Yeah, I'm adding more.
But I'm going to add my laundry detergent because it's going to dry up. And I don't want it to dry up or there will be a problem.
So let's show you that.
I poured laundry detergent into a little cup like this, so.
Just do, and you're supposed to do, I don't know if we told you that, but you're supposed to do a little bit at a time. So, yeah, and then it will start to get clumpy.
I think it's working.
Okay, yay. We'll come back and we'll show you when it is, she's done.
And Olivia.
And I'm going to start mixing mine. I'll show you the mixture of mine when I'm done mixing, and then I'll add the laundry detergent, and then, yeah. So, we'll be back.
We just noticed that was like a 3-minute video.
So, we're going to keep going. And,
maybe we won't pause as much.
Yeah, so here's mine. And that's what mine looks like without the laundry detergent. But when we add the laundry detergent, it should, she keeps adding hers. So you want to keep adding them, but you want to do it slowly. So I'm going to show you.
And if you have, a really bad, maybe eye infection or nose infection, is that real? A nose infection?
I think.
I wouldn't do that because it really smells like nail polish.
It smells really bad.
Strong.
Strong.
It doesn't smell bad, but
mine. And I'm just gonna hold up. Put it up there.
You might add too much, but it's okay. Alright. So she's mixing and I'm mixing. But I don't really need to show it on camera because I already started and she just started. But that's really good.
Mine's blue now because of laundry detergent. Whatever. See, it's...
And you can always add more nail polish in.
More glue. We both
or
added.
Sparkles.
You can add whatever you...
I think sparkles would be the best because it makes it look...
Oh, we forgot to tell you. The less laundry detergent you add, the more sticky and the more stretchy it will be. The more laundry detergent you add, the less sticky and slimy, stretchy it will be. So we forgot to tell you that, but yeah.
And the glue matters a lot.
Glue's the main thing, and why we add the airtight container is so that it's glue, and we don't want if you're done your slime and you don't want to use it like right now, like say we're done our slime and we don't want to use it right now, and so you want to put it in an airtight container so that the glue, because it's glue and glue can dry up, so then yeah.
So we're going to be probably buying a lot of glue because this is a lot of fun, and I might collect slime because this is a really good, see? Whoa, this is so good. Mine is still watery, so I'm going to...
And we'll be back in a little bit.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're back, and...
I don't know if this is turning out good or bad because it's watery, like you can see the laundry detergent in it, but maybe we just keep mixing. So,
or maybe we should put our hands in.
Ew. Maybe we should have more nail polish. Maybe that's it.
It's actually not sticking to my hands.
It's just so watery
because of the laundry detergent. So this is what it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be...
Oh, also...
It's supposed to be stretchy. It is stretchy. And it's not supposed to be sticky. But it is very slimy.
Oh, and guys, the laundry detergent you want to use is Dynenem and Tide. But this is technically Tide too, so...
It's going to work. It should work. We're not 100% sure, but this really smells and I don't like it. I wish the laundry detergent would make it smell a lot better, but it doesn't, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna feel mine now.
Smell it.
Oh my god. Ew. It's so sticky. It's still slimy. I would call it slime. It's very stretchy.
Yeah, it is slime. That's what we were making. What were we making?
Slime.
So what do you... we're going to keep mixing and hopefully...
It will turn out better.
It will turn out a lot better. And now that I'm playing with it, it's not that...
bad. I think it's just too watery.
I don't want green. See?
Oh.
It doesn't really stick. So we're going to keep doing this and maybe adding some more nail polish because I can't really see.
A few more.
I can't see. I can't. Look, ready? It doesn't stick. And this is, we thought this was a fail, but this is really good.
It's not good at stretching. So.
But we're going to try to add more glue and maybe it will get better at stretching. It just didn't learn yet, you know. So I'll be right back. Me and Olivia will be right back, not I. So we'll be back when we actually find a real slime.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm going to do a test. This is my slime. I want to be done. It's perfect. I like it. And, yeah. So I am going to go wash my hands and see if it sticks to my hand because, see, it's
And you can still record with me because I just added some glue and some laundry detergent.
So
And can you open the sparkles for me?
Yeah, we'll be right back when she adds them.
So Olivia's out getting her hands washed. Now I just added some sparkles into mine because